My name is Anush Datta, and since you guys wanted this is a day in my life or a productive day in my life, whatever you want to call it, you can call it. And bear with me, I just woke up, so that's why my voice is a little heavy and that's why I look like this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now usually my day starts at around 6:45, 7. Then I have my quick morning routine. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then I get ready to go outside for my workout. So it's 7:30 in the morning and I'm leaving for my workout. If you guys already don't know, I work out every single day. I don't work out every single day, but I do some sort of physical activity every single day, whether it's running, cycling, whatever, just to break a little bit of sweat and catch a little bit of sun. And I do it till 8:30, 8:45. Now I used to wake up at around 6:30. But lately I've been working a little late in the night for my videos and editing and all those stuff. I do all the stuff in the night and I need at least 7 hours of sleep, so that's why I wake up at around 6:45, 7, which is pretty good still. Some guys wake up at around 9, which is miserable. So I'll catch you guys after a workout. So it's 8:38 right now and I just finished my workout. Like you guys saw, it was a core workout. It was a pretty good workout. My abs are on fire right now, but that's where the fun is. Actually, I was going to go for a run, but my quad muscles are pulled from the match that I played yesterday, a football match that I played yesterday, which you are going to see later on in this video. But I did this 15-minute ab workout. I don't remember the name. 15-minute ab workout and a 5-minute plank challenge. Both are from Nike training app. I'm going to show you somewhere over here what workouts I did. But if you guys like to do bodyweight workouts, I would highly recommend this app because I use it all the time and they have some killer bodyweight workouts as well as weighted workouts, but they mostly consist of bodyweight workouts. By the way guys, I found this watch yesterday in my drawer when I was looking for something else actually. And believe me or not, I have this watch for almost 2 years now and I've never worn it a single time because I forgot that I even own this watch. Well, actually this watch was given to me as a gift by someone from my family, and to be honest with you, I don't like these kind of rugged watches. I don't think that it suits my style and it suits the way I style my outfit. So I thought I would keep it and then I would give it to somebody else, but I forgot. So at around 9 it is time to get clean, so I take a shower and then I get ready for the rest of my day. Then I have my healthy breakfast, but sometimes it is not so healthy, but yeah. So at 10:30 after breakfast I start working, and if I have a YouTube video to make, I would make it right now. Otherwise I do a little bit of editing, or maybe I'll search some topics to make videos on, and after that I have to study and attend online classes. Well, actually I have to attend online classes at 9, but I don't attend them before 11. Well, actually I don't attend them at all because I think they are a complete waste of time, and rather wasting time on this, I like to study myself and make notes, and that is mostly what I do till 1. So I'll talk to you guys at 1 PM. So it's 1:05 right now and I just finished studying, and I normally eat my lunch at around 1:40, 1:45-ish. So that gives me a time of about 40 minutes to shoot reels. Reels, if you don't know, is like TikTok for Instagram. They're pretty fun. They're like 30 seconds max and it's very easy and it's very fun to make these reels. I really enjoy making this video and I've been putting out a lot of content on Instagram lately. So if you're not following me on Instagram, my username is at @IAM_Anuj_Datta, and I will also leave the links down in the description box below, so be sure to follow me over there. Actually, I'm going to shoot a reel right now, so I'll catch you guys later after shooting a reel. So after that, at 1:45, I have my lunch and then I watch TV for a little bit and just chill. So it's 3:30 right now, and before this I was actually watching TV and chilling, so I didn't show you guys any of those stuff. But this is the time when I actually work. This is the time when I actually edit all of my videos and write all of my scripts. And today I'm going to edit the video that I'm shooting right now, the video that you are watching, and the parts that I already shot. I'm going to edit it right now, so I don't have too much of work to do later on. So I'm going to show you what I do. So this is what I'm going to do. I have all this footage that I shot in the morning, and I'm going to trim it down because you can see it is almost like 8 minutes long, and we don't want that long video because it's like 1/4 part of the video and it's still almost 8 minutes. So I'm going to trim all of the useless part and I'm going to edit it. Then I have all these footage left to edit, and I'm going to put it in a timeline and edit it. Now this is mostly what I do while I'm editing. So before I start editing my video, I would like to tell you guys one thing. I have a perfect vision. I do not need glasses at all, and the only reason why I'm wearing these glasses is because they are blue light protective glasses. So they protect my eyes from all the harmful blue light that comes out of the laptop screen and the phone screen. So if you're one of those guys that is always on his phone or always on his laptop, I would highly recommend you to get yourself a blue light blocking glasses. So it's 5:30 in the evening, and this is the time when I have my tea and then I come upstairs on my terrace, and you know what? Wait. Yeah, this is much better. So I come upstairs on my terrace and then I watch these beautiful sunsets. So if you guys don't know, I love watching sunset. It is very soothing and calming for me. So I watch it every single day. And then at around 6, I go back downstairs and I start studying. And at around 7:30, I go outside and I play football. I don't play football every single day. I do have some days off, but yeah, most of the days I go outside and I play football because I love playing football. It is like a stress buster for me, and this is what I mostly do in the evening. So yeah. So it's 7:30 in the evening and I'm going to play football, but the video that you're watching right now is not today's video because right now it is very dark outside and I don't want to shoot anything because you guys wouldn't be able to see a thing. So I shot this video yesterday while playing that match that I talked about earlier in this video, so you guys can see a little bit of action, and yes, that's it. So it's 9:30 right now and I just got out of the shower. I came home at around 8:55, 9. Then I took a shower. As you guys can see, my hair is still wet. And then I'm going to have my dinner. Well, actually my dinner is already served. And then I'm going to study for almost an hour. And then I'm going to watch TV with my family because having a family time is really nice. Then I'm going to stretch a little bit and go back to bed at around 12. I'm not going to show you guys all of that stuff because I don't want to make this video too lengthy. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like down below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any single videos from me. And my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. So please help me get there fast. Also follow me on Instagram. My username is @IAM_Anuj_Datta, and I will also leave the links down in the description box below. Also, if you have any video suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below and I'll get it done as soon as possible. And with that being said, until next time, peace.